What is good, everybody? Stolenshade here. Happy to have y'all back. I'm super excited. This is going to be the first review video that we are doing on the channel. We're going to be talking about the Dell3220DGF. It is a 1440p monitor. Alright guys, so this monitor is 400 HDR compatible, 4 millisecond response time, and it is 165 hertz panel. So I'm really excited to get it set up. We're going to be putting it as the main monitor. I'm going to switch my MSI Optics 27 to my chat monitor. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that one just yet. I'm probably going to be putting it above, or maybe just as some sort of, I'm going to be a floating panel of some sort. I don't really know exactly what I want to do with it yet, but I think I'll figure something interesting out. All right, here we go. Unboxing time. Not sure why, but the lighting right here on this desk kind of looks like I live in a dungeon. I don't know, but here we go. Get out of here, bug. We finally got scissors, guys. I'm super excited. I mean, what's better than that? What's better than scissors? Because doing it, a good buddy of mine, we recently did, you gotta check out the one chip challenge that we did. I'll probably post a clip so that y'all can see it. I did it live on Twitch. It was insane. But my buddy, Sacrifice Ammo, he cut his chip. He literally cut his chip open with a ram stick. It was pretty hilarious. But anyway, back to the video. So now that we got the angle switched up, I know this is death-defying. I'm kind of terrified of this, but I'm standing here, so it's fine. All right, so we got, what is this? HDMI cable. We got AC. We got DisplayPort, and this also has pass-through USBs, so for anybody that needs extra USB ports, this is the cable that's gonna give you those extra ports. They're gonna be on the actual monitor itself, which I'm pretty excited about. Not that I need extra. If y'all have seen, I do have that USB hub on the side of my desk, but it's cool that, you know, if you need it, it's got it. This pedestal's heavy AF. It definitely has the stylings of the actual monitor itself. I've seen a lot of these Dell monitors before when I worked at Best Buy. So it's not like, oh man, I have no idea what I'm getting into here. Because they all kind of look the same. Holy schmoly. All right, I knew it was gonna be big, but it looks massive compared to my 27. Oh my goodness. I'm excited, guys. All right. Whew. Ooh, that was almost dangerous. That was almost terrifying. So the monitor arm that I have right now is not sturdy enough to hold this monitor. The weight, it doesn't compare to the 27, so I'm not gonna risk it and try to put it on we're going ahead and tighten this screw down there. I love these easy screws. Very easy for installation. It's fully adjustable, and this is a VESA mountable monitor. So I did buy a VESA mount for it, but I don't know if I really want to mount it into the wall, but I have the option to do so if I choose. That's what I like about a lot of the Dell monitors have that. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick down here. Hopefully you can see it. I'm probably gonna bring the camera around so you can see a better view. All right, before I go ahead and put the monitor arm on, I just wanted to show y'all the bottom of the monitor. So that's pretty cool. It actually has 4 USB ports, a headphone jack. These are super speed USBs, so 3.0s, 2 more 3.0s. This is actually the port, kind of looks like to me it looks like a printer cable, but it is also the plug for a 3.0 USB. And then, not sure what that is. It looks like a line out, possibly. Oh, sorry. It looks like a line out. We got DisplayPort and 2 HDMI cables. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, put it on the arm now. It says to leave the monitor down, put this in. It's a pretty standard configuration. If you've ever had a monitor arm, it's not anything different than you've seen before. So I'm not gonna show that clip, but here we go. All right, so this is before it's actually hooked up, but I wanted to show y'all how massive it looks in comparison to the monitor that is behind it. I mean, that's a 27-inch monitor back there. This monitor puts that to shame. That's a 27 also right there. And I mean, it looks huge compared to those. So I'm super excited to get it all set up, have the MSI put to the left there. All right, so I love this setting. I'm a huge fan. The power button LED, you can turn it off. Please turn that off, thank you. Okay, so we're gonna go back now. And I wanna make sure that we are on FreeSync mode. We should be, we are not. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and turn that on. Game enhance mode, we could turn that on if we wanted. I don't know what the difference is. So FreeSync is now enabled on this monitor. Heck yeah. All right, let's see what else we got. We want the response time. We can do fast. What other options? Super fast, extreme. I'm not anything crazy, so I'm just gonna leave it. There we go. Got him. Got him. I should learn how to put those memes in here. Bro, you really shooting at me? Where you at, bro? Let's see. Oh, whoa! I mean, I don't know what the footage is gonna look like just yet, but I can tell you that this thing puts... Oh! I just did it, drop shotty. Billy would have totally got me. Whoa. Did that just take me like 30 rounds? I'm pretty sure I hit him with all those. But anyways, guys, that is a good indication of Call of Duty for you. Let's go ahead and switch it up to another game. All right, so before we start, y'all wanna rate my my outfit? I got the ninja swords. They just added the red jade. This is a color variation. Everybody got it, which I was really excited about. There we go. I mean, it looks incredible. I'm so excited. It was well. Is that the Mandalorian, really? I literally landed on him. Ooh, got him. Ooh, I'd be upsetty spaghetti if I was that guy. If you've ever watched my streams, I exclusively drop at PP. Pleasant Park, baby. Let's go. Boop. Type in code Stolenshade and you are all good to go. You just hit accept. That me, punk? You want a piece of this? Do ya? Do ya? Do ya, you wee laddie? Let's go this way. Whew, got him. Whew, that was scary. Oh no. Oh no, that was my teammate I'm shooting. Dumb. Truly run. I mean, this looks so good. Look, it's like your whole field of vision is lit up. I love it. Heal, mother trucker, heal. Swear I just saw somebody. Got him. This is probably not a great place to do a revive, but boy does it look crispy. I just wanted to show you guys what it would look like actually put up as opposed to where it was on the stand before. I know I need to do some cable management. Please just forget that part. But overall, I very much enjoy the monitor. I highly recommend you purchase one if you can get a good deal on it. I got mine for, I want to say $325 with Dell rewards, with my Dell preferred account, and I'm extremely happy. The colors look super good. It is a VA panel. I wanted to look into that a little bit more, but just to confirm with you guys, it is a VA panel.
but I mean, it blows the MSI optics that I have color-wise out of the water. Now, obviously, it's a 165 hertz over 144. I don't see a huge difference in that aspect or in the response time, but colors, it takes the cake. It destroys the MSI, and I would highly recommend you pick one of these bad boys up.